Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna unbox the Spellbinders All Clubs crate that I received and show you what's in it. Now I'm sure you've already seen a ton of unboxings and a ton of people doing projects with these, but I have a special reason for doing this. So keep watching. So I got my All Clubs crate a few days ago. Let me show you. Now, when you join the All Clubs crate, you get 3 die sets, 2 embossing folders, a stamp and coordinating die, your press and foil, a stencil, and an exclusive die set, and your monthly bonus item. Plus, you'll get 15% off select Spellbinders products every day that you shop, and 1 free shipping coupon to use each month. Here's what came in the crate. Oh, and you get Spellbinders cardstock. I forgot about that. So, like I said, this is the bonus die, your bonus item. Here is your 3D embossing folder, and this has some beautiful leaves on it. Love it. Can you see? Let me flip it so you can see what it looks like. So that's your 3D embossing folder. Then this is your regular embossing folder of the month. Let's flip it around so you can see the print. Isn't that pretty? This, oh friends, this is what got me the most. This large die of the month. This is the Spring Specs, and it is this giant bunny with these glasses. Isn't that cute? And then it has all these nice florals. So, I mean, you can make the bunny without the glasses, without the florals. You can make it with just the florals, with just the glasses. I mean, you can do so many things with this. So this set is just adorable. This is the large die of the month. This is the Lively Blossoms die set. And I think this is a bonus as well. I'm gonna have to look. Let me take a peek at what's listed in the All Crates Club and double check, but I think this was a bonus. So I'm gonna set that aside over here to double check. Then you get the stamp and die of the month. Isn't that cute? Look at this cute little scene with a bunny and Easter egg. And all these beautiful sentiments. And of course, the dies coordinate to cut out not just the image, but the sentiments as well. And this one is Ears to Spring. So pretty. Then here's your press and foil of the month. So this is from Ink to Petal. So you get the foil, press and foil plate. So you can better press or glimmer foil with this. And then you get the sentiments and the dies to cut out the sentiments. So, so pretty. Then you also get this coordinating stencil. This one is the From Ink to Petal stencil. Now, when you better press or foil it, so here you can see it's kind of better pressed, here it's foiled, but then when you stencil, that's this color part, and so you kind of get like a shadow of sorts effect, an outline in the background of your coloring. I think that's so pretty. I love that they have these two coordinate with each other. Then here is our small, or our die of the month, and it is Spring Haul. And look, it does this cute little wheelbarrow. You have this cute little chick, bunny, Easter eggs, some florals, little carrots. It's so cute. I just love it. Then we have the stitching die of the month. And this one is Spring Stitched Tree. And look, oh, so pretty. I love that you have all these leaves and florals, and you can use them separately for something else. You could use them with that large die of the month to add to the Easter bunny. But I love that you also have this tree separately that you could use any time of the year. You can make a fall tree. You can make a Halloween, like a spooky tree. You know, add this, kind of do some maybe ink splattering on a card panel and die cut it and kind of ink blend around it to make it a spooky black tree with a nice nighttime spooky background. Wouldn't that be cute? And then you also have this Spring Wishes die there. So very cute. Love it. Now, the stencil of the month, guys, look at this. This is Botanical Bunny. And this, isn't that beautiful? Now here on the packaging, it's shown at 85%, so it's actually a little bit larger. I mean, take a look at the stencil. It's that big, so it'll cover up your A2 panel. Let me grab a card here. Yeah, it'll pretty much fill up your panel. In fact, let's take it out so I can show you. And I just love this stencil. So I'm kind of toying with an idea of how to make my grandkids Easter bags this year. So I'm kind of torn between the stencil. Look, isn't that pretty? It'll fill up your card. Between the stenciling it, each bag for them, because I just use plain white gift bags and then I decorate them for their Easter bags instead of baskets. And then I'm torn between stenciling or using that large die of the month. So we'll see what I end up doing. Then here, let me move that plastic, is your color wheel cardstock that you get. So you get a 10 pack. I'll show you all of them. Kind of move them over. Okay, so you get, this is blush, tutu, carrot, beeswax, saffron, rainforest, windy, cascade, fairy tale, and lavender. Those are beautiful, beautiful spring colors. Love it. So this is all the goodies from the All Crates Club for February. Now, this club was so popular that when I went to rejoin the clubs, because I had been a Caboodle member last year and then I canceled at the end of the year thinking, you know, I need to save money and not spend. But then I saw this and I said, oh, I gotta have it. So when I went to rejoin, it was sold out. It was sold out. I was so sad. And I thought, well, I want to at least get that large die of the month and the other die of the month because they were really cute and those were still available. So I ordered the large die and the die of the month. And wouldn't you know it, the day that these shipped out, I got an email that the All Crate was back in stock. So I thought, what do I do? What do I do? I just rejoined. I got the All Crate Club. That way I don't have to worry. For March, I'll have the All Crate Club. But I now had these 2 extras. And not only did I have these 2 extras, somehow when I was ordering my regular die, I hit 2. So I got 2 of these. So I thought I would just give these away. And I thought, what better way than to share some of this crafty goodness with my crafty friends. So here's what I'm going to do, friends. In the next, 8 days? Let's see how many items are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The next maybe 10 days or so, I'm going to do a video using different items from the All Crate Club. And I will tell you in each video secret word. I'm kind of following Crafty Owl's way of doing her Advent giveaways. I thought that was a great way to do it. So I'll give you a secret word for that day's video. And you need to just write down all the secret words. And then at the end, I will do another video telling you how to enter to win one of these 3 goodies. So you can either win Spring Haul, and I have 2 of those, or Spring Specs. So keep watching. I will do a video, I promise. It may not be the best because I'll probably try just to record straight through and not have to do any editing so I can get them done. But I'm excited. I'm excited to give these away. It's my way of kind of sharing the fun with my crafty friends. Oh, and I did check, friends. I forgot to tell you. These are both bonus items. So these are the bonus items for the All Crate for February. So what you get when you are in the All Clubs Crate membership, you get all 8 club options plus 2 additional bonus items, and this month it was these 2, plus a cardstock pack. So really good value for the money, I think, because if you like this month, I really wanted to get like 5 of the clubs. But at that point, if I'm buying them individually, I might as well be the All Crate Club membership. I mean, All Clubs Crate membership. Get everything, and that way I even get cardstock included. So, and some bonus items. So I thought it was a good deal for the money. Now I'll be sure to link to Spellbinders All Clubs Crate in the description box below, just in case you want to take a peek. But keep an eye for my videos, and then keep an eye for the secret word in each video, and for my wrap-up video where I'll tell you how to enter to win one of 3 prizes. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.